Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Samsung A14 sleep mode not working after Android 13 update. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and open apps. Now in apps, scroll down and then here click on clock, open clock and then go to the storage of clock. Now clear the app data and cache memory of clock app. Now after clearing data, go back and now in apps, click on this option icon and turn on show system apps. After that, scroll down and now open modes and routines. Now go to the storage and from here clear the app data and cache memory of modes and routines.